Welcome to Business World. I'm your host Siddharth, and we are in January 2021, and we already have one of the biggest smartphone launches of this year, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and since I've been using this phone for the past couple of days, I will also talk about my first experience with the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in this phantom black color. So let's get this video started. Now, as we enter 2021, Samsung has given us one of its biggest smartphone launches of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The box seems like a very typical box trend that we have, the ones without the charger. And looking at the back, you can see the pricing of the phone is 1,28,999. This phone is also not made in India and also not made in China. This is made in Vietnam. Other than that, Samsung has launched the new phantom black color, and to match the color we have a matte black unboxing knife for you, and let's unbox this phone. On the left hand side of the box, you can see it's written Indian SIM card only, so this is the Indian retail unit. The first impression is that the phone looks extremely premium to hold, and it is substantially heavy. Other than that, let's keep the phone aside for now, and we have a small box inside the phone. No chargers as expected. The box comes with USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Let's keep that aside. Then there is some information booklet, manuals, warranty information, and you also get a SIM ejector tool. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra comes with a lot of stickers on board, and after removing the back sticker, protective sticker, we can see the back is matte black in color. Now we can see the S21 Ultra in its full glory, and we have 4 cameras at the back, and which are substantially big. Let's turning it around. Only 2 buttons are there on the right hand side, the volume rocker and the power button. No, we have a double screen protector, in fact. Okay. The sides of the phone are built of metal and beautiful to look at, beautiful to hold. Looking at the bottom, you get a speaker grill, a charging port, and that's about it. So now that we are over with the unboxing, I would like to talk about the kind of experience I've been having with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, I have been an avid Samsung smartphone user. I started with the Samsung Galaxy Note 1 back in the day, and over the period of time, I've used a lot of Samsung phones. The last Samsung S series phone that I purchased was the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and since then I've been using a lot of phones for review and this and that. But this phone is extremely special because the moment you unbox it, it feels extremely premium. Trust me, this phone feels distinctly very premium in your hands. It is very dense. It feels excellent to hold. It has a substantial weight in your hands when you're holding it. And the screen. Now, we have all gone through a lot of smartphones which have high refresh rate screens, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, but this phone also has a 120 Hz display, but it is special. Now, why is this display special? Because this is not your 1080p display. This is not your full HD display. This is a quad HD display which goes up to 120 Hz. Yes, this display has an adaptive refresh rate. I'm using this display on quad HD mode all the time. I have my Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything on all the time. So I'm using this phone as my daily driver. So when I started shifting my data to this phone, the phone got really warm, and I thought the battery life will be substandard or whatever. But it came out as a pleasant surprise. Once the data was transferred, once the phone settled down, I rebooted the phone a couple of times, and I charged this phone to 100% last morning, and it's been 2 days, and this phone is at 11% with multiple number of calls, camera usage, streaming, etc, etc. So battery life seems interesting. Now my full review will have a little bit of battery testing as well. The camera on this phone is excellent. I've taken a few shots, not too much of testing done yet. Now this camera cutout is just wild. I mean, it just has this wild big 4 lenses, and it looks really wild. Now imagine if you're talking like this and walking, and people will just be like, whoa, what camera is that? And overall, excellent feedback till now. It's very minimalistic, the audio is very good, and reception quality is also good. Apart from the phone being really awesome, now this is a flagship device, it has to be awesome, but from the design point of view, it's very well designed. It's very minimalistic, but there are no buttons, nothing, only a volume rocker and a power switch here. But this phone also comes with the Samsung Exynos 2100. Now I need to do a little bit of testing with that iPhone 12 Pro Max. I will be testing this phone with iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we'll also be looking at the new adaptive refresh rate Quad HD screen with other phones that I have. Some of them are 90 Hz, some of them are 120 Hz. We'll see how this performs. So that was it, guys. I'm your host Siddharth. Thanks for watching. If you liked such videos, do like and subscribe. And since the union budget is right around the corner, we are running a series of videos on different sectors. What are their expectations from the budget? If you're interested, do watch our show, which goes by the name Plan B. This is your host Siddharth signing off. Wear a mask, be safe.